Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on his farm he had some chicks, E-I-E-I-O. Good morning, everyone! Shh, the farmer is sleeping. Shh, the farmer is sleeping. Shh, come on, girl. Nice and easy.
Halo teman-teman, malam yang indah ya. Kenapa kalian semua sedih dan bingung? Ayo cerita, jangan sedih. Ada masalah apa?
Ada maling! Guk, guk! Waduh, anjing galak! Too late! Where is everybody? Oh! Where is everybody? All my animals are gone. I need to call the police right now! Hello, police! A thief stole all my animals!
Don't worry, we will help you. Don't worry, we will help you.
These tracks are fresh. And look what we have here, but... a thief's mask! This is the evidence we need. The thief went that way! Let's go!
Polisi mengejar kita! Pegangan, kita kabur!
I'm sorry. I just wanted animals too. You must never steal again. Ask for help if you need something. I promise I won't steal anymore. We are happy to help!
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
See you next time, kids!
Jika kalian suka konten ini, jangan lupa like, comment, and subscribe.